can be. It just can't be.
Okay. Well, it's a short, simple, sweet to the point. We almost died yesterday. And it looks like I'm looking, like, right at the... Okay. Anyways. We were going around this curve, right? And the stupid bitch was texting. It about killed us. And she was like, oh, just, you know, texting, and I'm not going to pay any attention to what I'm doing. And she almost runs us off, she runs us off the road. Shut up. She runs us off the road, and we almost died. Okay? We came, like, that close to dying.
We almost hit a rock, we almost flipped, and we almost hit a tree, and we almost died.
We almost died. Okay? Don't ever text and drive.
I was weird.
Okay.